Birds by Meish, Goldfish. Birds in the sky, in the lake, in the tree. So many birds for you to see. Mockingbird, blue jay, robin, sparrow. Cardinal, oriole, swift as an arrow. Bobolink, chickadee, bullfinch, crow. Warbler, raven, watch them go. Meadowlark, blackbird, nightingale, thrush. Birds in a bush and birds in the brush. Woodpecker, hummingbird, osprey, owl. Chicken and turkey, known as a fowl. Duck in the water, dove in the sky. Ostrich and penguin, which don't even fly. Swan and pelican, puffin and goose. Buzzard and eagle, on the loose. Stork and heron, with long pink legs. Hawk and falcon, guarding their eggs. Albatross, vulture, peacock, pheasant. Birds that are wild, birds that are pleasant. Birds in the sky, in the lake, in the tree. So many birds for you to see.